Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul.
In this episode we do some preparations on the deck and we prep the boat for finally leaving the harbor after 3.5 months.
You know it's a game I hate to lose. I'm feeling the pain, ain't that a shame? Oh, give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Preparation.
Some spots they need new caulking in the deck. So Michael is busy. Do some surgery on the deck.
So I gotta get all the black stuff off and get back down to the wood. We don't want to take too much wood off in the process.
And a little bit with the Dremel. It's looking like a dentist. Sounds like a dentist.
I need to sharpen this thing.
Getting the next part out.
Yeah, just taking my time, going slow.
So first with the Stanley mess, with a sharp knife, going along the edges.
Yeah.
Pull the most of the caulking out.
After we cut it out, then we'll scrape what we can scrape out.
There are a lot of staples in the
Yeah.
bottoms.
The teak was 15 millimeters when it was built. So now it's down to about 10, I think. Because this teak's still pretty thick in most spots. Some spots are down, but most of them actually break. But that's okay. I think they were really just put in there to hold it down while it was being glued.
Scraping, scraping.
Yeah. Just trying to get all that shit out of there.
Some dremeling. Some sanding.
Look at that. That came out pretty good.
Ta-da! So we have to find out how to do this on the side.
Where it comes.
It's vertical, so it's leaking down under. So another day in paradise.
Mm-hmm. Millimeter work. I don't know what's worse, Ian. Welding or fixing this?
Cleaning time.
Cleaning time. It's cleaning time.
Acetone.
Acetone.
And tape in the bottom. So all taped inside and outside, and we tried to put some plastic on the side, so hopefully the kit doesn't run out on the bottom. See how it does. Then caulk it. It's looking very crumbly, this stuff.
Yeah, it's not smooth like 290. We'll see how it comes out. I gotta sand it anyhow, so.
It's real bubbly.
Gritty or granular, I don't know. It doesn't look like it came out really nice, and there was no places for air bubbles to get into it.
See how it's under the bubbling.
Yeah.
See how that plastic is working. standing.
Smooth. That didn't come out very well.
Yeah, but you still see some air bubbles.
What, is that what you're calling these?
I think.
I think it's just where it sacked, where it sucked in, shrunk. We didn't get enough on it, or it shrunk more than it said, because it's only supposed to shrink like maybe 5%. It seems a lot more than 5%. You're not doing anything. I'm doing all the work. Why do I have to do all the work? Look, better not say I'm fat.
No, but you weigh more than me.
My hand is just working again.
I know, yeah.
So don't mess up your hand.
Yeah, so don't do crazy shit.
Get your legs off the ground so then we can win.
We
Is there
can
a
win.
in this?
Yeah.
Up on the street, what? Come over here.
Michael needs a haircut,
Yes, I do.
so you're gonna try the
Brooklyn Barbershop.
Brooklyn Barbershop. See what he does. He speaks Dutch too.
Yeah.
Best time pizza at Clandestino.
Best pizza? Certainly. Los Clandestinos, La Línea de la Concepción.
See,
I mean, really, the best pizza.
I didn't film it, never,
And
because they are too good.
Nah, and I'm a snob about pizza. Pizza here, fucking awesome.
Still,
Hey, best pizza? Best pizza in La Linea.
Los Clandestinos Pizzeria.
Absolutely.
See.
And we agree. We eat here once a week. It's that good.
Real Italian.
For almost 4 months.
I met this beautiful, I fed these beautiful people for
He did.
4 months, yeah?
He did.
While they were
He fed me better than my own mother.
fixing your boat, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, while you were waiting for...
waiting for winter to go away.
Winter to go away, yeah, exactly. Yeah. It was at least a nice winter, yeah?
It was a great place to spend the winter.
Yeah. Okay.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Grazie mille.
Thank you. Grazie.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Doei.
Have a nice trip.
Los Clandestinos. Best pizza.
Oh, claim that one.
That was for you, Steve.
I didn't hear it.
Oh.
Did you say something?
No, it wasn't me.
Okay, doing some laundry. Minutes. Come back. In the meantime, I'm taking a shower. So the shower's here. Fence. Hopefully we don't need any more. back in 40 minutes. Cleaning time. So you've got everything from the deck.
Boat cleaning.
Yeah, so you can see where we raised the water line. It's kind of blue greenish.
You can see it now because that part's green.
Yeah. Did the last shopping for now.
Yeah. Hey, Steve. That was for you.
Probably you don't hear it, by the way.
Yeah, but he knows what it was.
So we have to go to the harbor over there. So walking a mile, no, 3/4 a mile, do some shopping.
It's okay, it's good for us.
Yep.
The walking's not bad, it's carrying the stuff. Pack mule.
Yeah, actually we are going probably on anchor here, so it's closer to the supermarket. Why are we dragging all that stuff to the boat all the way around?
Because we need a workout.
Oh, that's why. Doing motor checks.
Yep.
Tell me what you're doing.
Well, first I'm going to check the oil. Check the water. The coolant level, I mean. Good. Check the intake filter. Do this every time before we go. Check this intake filter. He's all good. This one here. That's the seawater intake filter, so make sure that that's clean.
We cut the solar panels and stuff down yesterday.
Yep.
And we turned around our anchor chain. Most of the double lights.
Yeah, looks okay. There's a little bit of nattigheid there, a little bit. Just wipe that up.
All the netting in place. Those are the upslouters. Water.
Could be. You were talking about the offslouters.
Mm-hmm.
Seacock.
Do the dishes. Then we're ready to go.
We're ready to go.
See, there's water coming.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul.